All right. Hello, everybody. Coming to you from snowy Connecticut. My name is Mark. I am the stock market jobber. I'm a former institutional trader. I was fortunate enough to trade for the great Steve Cohen, who could be the greatest trader of our generation, if not in history. I also traded for directly for Mario Gabelli, who is one of the greatest value managers probably in the history of the industry. And I was also the head of trading at three different institutional money managers where I oversaw the trading of various strategies, including about, I don't know, maybe 10 or 15 different hedge funds. I know everyone's so fascinated with hedge funds. I figured I would just add that in there, but it's true. I'm not making it up. I've been doing this for a long time, and I was considering retiring, but then I thought to myself, I got to give back a little bit, right? Because I've been pretty lucky. And then one day I was playing golf, and I'm like, what could be a better way of giving back than to teach people about trading? So please check out our website, stockmarketjobber.com. And, we talk about history, we talk about trading, we have trading ideas, we cover pretty much any financial market, whether it's cryptos, options, stocks, ETFs. But I just wanted to take a quick look at SPY and stop promoting myself here. All right, we're trading down a little bit this morning, mostly because of what went on with Microsoft. They reported an increase in revenue, but a decrease in net income. So it means they're selling more, but they're making less money. And you don't need to be a stock market guru or a former hedge fund trader to know that that does not sound good. So one of the things that we focus on in the institutional trading world is what price levels are important. And we could see here, notice how important this 390 level has been for SPY. Okay. It was support here, then it became resistance, then it became support, then it became resistance, then it became support, and now it became support again. So, how could this happen? How could a level that was support turn into resistance? Well, this is because of buyer's remorse. There's people who bought when the price went lower, they regretted doing so, so they decide to sell, but they don't want to lose any money. So they put their sell order at the same place they had their buy order at. So what we're looking at here is psychology, buyer's remorse. Support turns into resistance. Now, why would resistance turn into support? Well, it's the opposite. Seller's remorse. People sell, market goes higher. A lot of the people who sold regret selling and they tell themselves, hey, I'm going to buy my shares back, but only if I can get them for the same price I sold them at. So they place their buy orders at their selling price. All right. So when we look at a chart, we're not just looking at a bunch of squiggly lines or astrology or tea leaves or anything like that. We're looking at investment psychology. Now notice how this 410 level was resistance. Okay, so resistance is there's a large amount of sellers at this price level. When a market's trending higher, it's because there's not enough supply or sellers to fill all of the demand or buy orders. And when we get to resistance, the tide turns. All of a sudden, there is enough supply. So that's why rallies pause or end when they get to resistance. Support's the opposite. There's a large amount of buyers here. When a market's trending lower, it's because there's not enough demand or buy orders to take in all of the supply or sell orders. When we get to support, that changes. There's enough buy interest or demands or buy orders that they can absorb all of the supply or selling. So just going forward, we're trending lower now. We're about 395. If we get down to 390, I'd be looking for a little bit of a tradable bounce. But if this 390 level breaks, this is an important level. We could get a big move lower. So make sure you check back in with us. Let us know if you want notifications. Please subscribe to our YouTube page here. And be sure to check out stockmarketjobber.com. And I will talk to you soon, everybody. But just remember, this 390 level is important. So that's SPY's at 395. So if we get down another couple points, it's a good chance we get some kind of a tradable bounce. All right. Thank you, everybody. I will talk to you soon.